What's the meaning of codenamed? Codenamed. Codenamed.
Codenamed. Codenamed. Codenamed refers to a term used to conceal the real name or identity of a project, product, or operation. It is usually done for security reasons or to maintain confidentiality. This practice is commonly used in the military, intelligence, and technology industries. By assigning a code name to a project, it becomes easier to refer to it without revealing any sensitive information. In summary, codenamed is a term used to conceal the identity of a project, and it is done for security or confidentiality reasons. It is a common practice in the military, intelligence, and technology industries.